I wrote a thread setup program using Microsoft Visual Studio, and I've been looking for some way that I could share this with other people. Now, this is the program that we're looking at right now on the screen. And all you have to do is, well, first of all, we're in inch threads. It does inch and metric both. Let's say you want to cut 13 threads per inch. So you would submit that. And it says gear A is, and gear B is an ABC dial and the number dial. Now, if you're not sure what all these things are, you can click here. And the ones outlined in red are the ones that you're going to use to set up your lathe. The ABC dial is B, and we have a 1 on the number dial. And then if you're wondering where exactly those two gears go, gear A and B, you can click over here, and it shows you that the A gear, which is 36 teeth, would go here, and the B gear, which is 52 teeth, would go on where this gear is. You can also view the inch chart for gears and the metric chart for gears as well. Let's close the inch chart. There's the metric chart. And if you forget what the original gears were when the machine first came to you, you can view the default gears and their positions. So this has been very handy for me. And I'm sure a lot of people would appreciate having this really fast way to look up these specifications. And you can also print this so that if you're not near the lathe, you can print it out and take the piece of paper with you to the lathe. The only problem with this is I don't have a security certificate. I don't want to pay for one. So there may be a little scrutiny coming from not only Windows, but from your antivirus. I used the Avast antivirus, so it has already sent it to the lab and approved it. If you're using Avast, you may not have any problems with it. But I'm going to put a link out there and see if it works. Well, when you enter your link, which is up here, this is what you're going to see, or something very similar to it. And you're going to be selecting download. And if that doesn't work, you may be required to sign in. But there it is right there, gear setup. And I clicked on that. And you're going to see this pop up here. Windows has protected your PC. So it says don't run. But if you go more info, you can say run anyway. And this is the installer window that has popped up now. And the reason it popped up without any problems for me is that it is already approved by Avast. And create a desktop shortcut. I'm sure you want to do that. And install. And launch. And the program is right there for your use.